Good evening, rail fans. Saturday evening, about dinner time. Obviously, I'm sitting in my vehicle. I am at Ackerville, just south of the yard, waiting for a northbound CN ballast train. And normally ballast trains aren't super exciting. Typically what we see through this area are Herzog ballast trains. They're trains probably leased from the Herzog company, and the ballast is usually dumped from the bottom of the train. So this one's a little different. This is a conveyor system ballast train. When it goes by, you'll see that there's these conveyors staged throughout the train, and I really wish I could see one in action, but I'm not quite sure where this is being used. All I do know is in all the time I've been shooting videos here in the Rugby Junction area, I've not seen one of these on the CN, so that's pretty cool. The other thing that's pretty cool is the lead power are all EMD units with regular cabs, and in the SD series, like I believe an SD70, and I think there's an SD40 tunnel motor in the middle. Unfortunately, they're all CN paint, but hey, it's kind of cool to see something other than Gevos and the modern power that we've been seeing for a while. So maintenance train, but still kind of cool. Hope you enjoy this sketch.